Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or event related to 15th October. Let's start. In the year of 1542, on this day, Akbar, the most prolific emperor of the Mughal dynasty who ruled Delhi, the capital of India, was born. In the year of 1686, on this day, the Mughal ruler Aurangzeb signed a peace agreement with Bijapur. In the year of 1917, on this day during the First World War, Mata Hari, a famous dancer from the Netherlands, was shot by French soldiers on charges of spying for Germany. In the year of 1918, on this day, Sai Baba of Shirdi passed away. In the year of 1924, on this day, the Statue of Liberty was declared a national monument by US President Calvin Coolidge. In the year of 1931, on this day, 11th President of India and Missile Man APJ Abdul Kalam was born. In 2010, the United Nations declared their birthday as World Students' Day. In the year of 1932, on this day, the Tata Company's airplane made its first flight. This company was called Air India after the acquisition by the Government of India. In the year of 1961, on this day, Suryakant Tripathi Nirala, poet, novelist, essayist, and story writer, passed away. In the year of 1964, on this day, the retirement of Nikita Khrushchev, the leader of the Soviet Union, shocked the whole world. In the year of 1988, on this day, Ujjwala Patil became the first woman from Asia to sail around the world. In the year of 1996, on this day, Fiji became the first country to ratify the Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. In the year of 1997, on this day, Arundhati Roy was selected for Britain's most prestigious Man Booker Prize for her novel The God of Small Things. In the year of 1999, on this day, Durga Bhabi allies Durgavati Devi, a key ally of the revolutionaries in India's freedom struggle, passed away. In the year of 2006, on this day, the United Nations imposed sanctions on North Korea. In the year of 2007, on this day, the Nobel Prize in Economics was awarded to three US economists, Leonid Hurwitz, Eric Muskin, and Roger Myerson. In the year of 2008, on this day, Arvind Adiga was awarded the Man Booker Prize for his book, The White Tiger. In the year of 2012, on this day, British author Hilary Mantel was awarded the Man Booker Prize for her novel Bring Up the Bodies. In the year of 2013, on this day, a magnitude 7.2 earthquake in the Philippines killed more than 215 people. In the year of 2018, on this day, Sears, a 125-year-old US retail company, filed an application for bankruptcy in New York's bankruptcy court. Sears, which was going through an economic crisis, had a debt of $5.6 billion. In the year of 2020, on this day, the government had launched a campaign called Kalam Program for Intellectual Property Literacy and Awareness Campaign, Kapila, to create intellectual property literacy and patent awareness. In the year of 2020, on this day, India's first Oscar-winning costume designer, Bhanu Athaiya, passed away at the age of 91 due to prolonged illness. Bhanu Athaiya won the Academy Award for Best Costume Design for the 1983 classic film Gandhi. In the year of 2020, on this day, Bank of Ghana won the Central Bank of the Year Award 2020. Apart from this, Mark Carney, Governor of the Bank of England, received the Governor of the Year Award at the Central Bank of the Year Award 2020. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Directorate General of Shipping was notified by the central government as the National Authority for Recycling of Ships. DG Shipping was named as the apex authority for India's ship recycling industry under Section 3 of the Ships Recycling Act 2019. In 2021, today, International Day of Rural Women is celebrated every year on 15 October all over the world. In India, the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare observes National Women's Farmers Day since 2016 to increase the active participation of women in agriculture. That's all. Thanks for watching and support. Kindly share the video and subscribe my channel for latest update.